développé. Le toit que ça n'est pas de baron. Je pense que B5. Je pense que nous go green. We no go green.
And I'm afraid already about Wednesday about Yanyan in TSA JBC for any B5 for African soldiers, any police air fire assassin or so. Now, and I'm afraid, I'm afraid I hear you to know. You're the car buyer. Now, you're buying no, and Pana soldiers go happen. Now, the attorney said, and Bonfo assassin. Enya government assassin. Yen ko ya assassin no. Eya oman no, eya akonya no, eya stula. Enya government assassin. Now, Kwame Nkrumah ebe bisa assassin no 1952. Sir odiko oba develop assassin no. Now, TDC for ebe emu. Omo na dey mo. Yen pen for anti one city because almost see omo be develop assassin no. Now, ewo mremu no. Say, Ubeji obi assassin. Na say we say obe develop assassin na. Dia who can say with the assassin by no. And no need to say with the assassin here. Say wait to me and find assassin and yet dia who can no. Not with your own interest. With the yet the fa wan kasa ho a. Webu mraso. Now, dia to so me no. Say assassin no. Wo say na say want to be develop na say 50 years ah. You must return the land to the landowner. I was saying with the assassin man in Rua. Now just imagine, sir, why go for Biba? Now a Quran is soon. Want to mean Fabo Fan and Command about for say, how many new for? I was saying, what to me the assassin comma assassin Rua? Yanyan in TSA, ya son up to assassin and the Ama B5. And no Nama. The youth of Bo, Yantiasi. Now, Yabisa Tribal Council, they said they are not aware. They want to prove to the whole world, and especially Ghana, that Bo Okbokli, the youth of Bo, we need our land. Our land does not belong to the government. It belongs to our stool. And we are claiming our land back. That is the reason why we are here. 72 years in Apahukura. Enti yanim di entia TDC and to be retained assassin. If that is their intention, then the youth of Bo will prove to the Gadangwe the way they are treating the girls will prove to the whole world. Enough is enough. The youth of Bo, we are taking back our land. We are taking back our land. B5 cannot take our land. Our forefathers have sacrificed their blood. As I'm talking to you, initially those lands are for farming. When it is festival, we can get food to eat. Now they have acquired all our land. We prove to the whole world. I am telling you, the youth of Bo will prove to the president. We love it, but we take our land. Our land belongs to the Bo, and we are taking the land now. We are taking the land. Two arma war. Ya two arma TDC for. Aya TDC. I don't want the offer. Emma GBC. And a GBC so and then on the so tone and the ama B5. Now, you're paying for no and to assassin and farm my war. We are claiming back our land. That is all. The attorney said, you share you're paying for. And then you would get a hoodie. Tribal Council. I must say they are not aware of the Ecoso. You per se, your mom, and the assassin or Beji, you know. Say, when you find yet you can say, or the Beya, or returning assassin and from Tribal Council. Because as I'm talking to you, you won't go for baby war. Wakonumwa, Sabio, Omunya baby, and form the into. Bon, in so quiet, young so, yet name in Fasua, yenya. Our company say, what of your assassin, so ye need Fasua, toilet, ye nippy. Is so almost 12 years, I said 26 years. 26 years, ye need Sua Yenum. She company say, what assassin, so come to him. Argentina government and to embassy will prove to the whole world. The youth of Bob will prove to the whole, will prove to all the companies in our land that we need back our land. That is all. We have a far here. Now, we have a law. We prove the law to them. Now, you say, Sabio, a Omunanum, and a Betty assassin, and a Yananum. That is the word proof I said will prove to them. Because Yananum, dear. So almost say, a Yomudia, and dear, I'm what say, Omudi 2 every 2 years. But say, no, dear, pa. Not say, Yananum is sure what you are. Then we shall see. That is all. Your friend.
Hey, don't go to the road. This is B5. In a B5, I don't have a bed. Now I can't. Can you coffee? I'm no. Oh, yeah, go home. Davida. Better than the GBC coming home.
No, you know, few, no basic, no seniors, and no senior can money can you have way. Let's talk of food to mark up. Oh, okay, I'm going to better guy, but you don't have the authority to do that.
So we not go.
Yeah, we not go allow them. We not go allow.
B5. She don't want to do what we don't go green. We don't go green.
That is where they should come to the negotiation table, and that is where we are looking for them. Now we want everything should be in order. If you have come to take somebody's land since 1952, calculating up to now, it will be 72 years. 72 years is not just a child's play. And so if you can't come to the negotiation table for the change of purpose that you said you are going to use the land, then what are you doing? Any government institution who knows the law, who comes to the negotiation table with the customary, with the real allodians of the land. And that is why we are here. We are the real allodians of the land. The Pom Traditional Council is a major stakeholder of this case.
One of
what is the reaction of the youth? If the youths have come to sit and eating KK by this time, you wouldn't have come to factory. In fact, the youth is in red eyes as I speak now. The youth is in red eyes as I speak now. And then we want to signal a strong one that every person who has gone for money, anyone who has gone for money in the interest of acquiring this land must retain the money. Because the youth is not in agreement with even anybody who wants to sell this land. And so we want to send a warning to the TDC and then any stakeholder who allegedly has come to purchase this land, that they should stay out. They should stay out. Yes, but since 1952, TDC should come to tell us that it hasn't crossed the 50 years that you are supposed to return the land to the real allodians of the land. It's been 72 years now. I'm not speaking of Niabe. I'm not speaking of yesterday. It's been 72 years, more than the 50 years we are expecting. And so they have to come to the negotiation table. As I speak, we don't have any issue with anybody who is legislating. We have issue with TDC. And then we want what we want TDC to do. If you cross where we are standing, opposite B5, if you cross here and then you enter, even though it is a land, even Bedia, Katamaso, all these places are lands. And so how can you cross a land which is inside the main township and then you say it is yours? No, CDC cannot claim our lands. It is far too late. But when we are
no fe no ni go no esake ebaje odi ejake esake mambi bayishi ni anaye kwaka mambi bayishi na abetu anaye kwaka mambi ni leke ba fe sika ni leke ba we fotromi ejake TDC ni oje de teblema TDC ni oje je le dimone oje biane TDC kokro na fele company ni biane na mame cross na mekefio na mekefio biane oblan bini yo mame biane wo ke what contesi noni no fe noni wo noni e wonwo wo flo juma ke je minese ke ya woni bi fe ne to to noni kro sisi ke di bi fe mene ke je minese ke ya wonwo na kama je ni bi fe wo TDC esei wo ka me ba pe
ni bright ye lele biane wo hia wo ba wo so ni e fe mbobo ye wo ma biane wo yino bi ni baba wo sa me ni ba fe mbobo fe wo biane wo be ko ni wo be no chumo biane ne shikone biane na bi twele biane a twa me no chumo biane no wo na wo dan maye ke wo tele biane no wo ba wo biane ka me hie wo me na me ta wo ni wo ya ye ne ke B5 bi ne ame he shikon bi Ote bien ame ote chopole ame ote bubla ame ma ba ni spane ko meto e na mento na me ngo work plan me na work plan wo
odangma
mo fa ngbaji tete akotia efi omi akashi lele TDC e bi ane wo sumo nu wo ba nu no ko to TDC e efo because since Ghana gained independence ni bomane ye akapo ni Kwame Nkrumah kola Washington ni tu shisa ekome ni Israel ke batangmene ni kabolu ane akawawo tamashishi ni waya tamashishi ni resources ni aka manage your man alo aka kula man fe yako industry fe ya bi ane including free zone noko be ni obajo point ke on in the community aka no ni machine jise anamo ni gboma ena the free zone alo TDC ani akawashpo hale they can develop them fa ikabo yuare bo aya he ko me no ba cho do ba nye mu ya de ko be ni tama fa akawashpo develop e kokro ni wa na ese ro wa ke wa sumo TDC ya washpo no wa he washpo ji ba
mu ya fi ni no go ni ba cho na yake bi ene nu wo jira bi wo fi oro fi ano e mo ma bi ji wo na akuro wo shukun fe ye wode akuro wo shukun fe de first me ba toli na nka shi no wo bia no wo shukun ni na hwe ni na anwo ka tie le anwo ka shi ni hwe wo ba bu twa no ma ya
plan adutu mo ye ne ona amero bi e baba o si pon me ne le wo get TDC ni e ha ni GBC ya le ka ke si pon me ne aho bi fa fe wo le bi e tu ha ni e fresh ke ya e mo ni mo ke ja ka aho ni ma he aho bi am ma he
e je ka fonu ke tanka itanga ni lo fe lole na ba fo na afom na ka ba ha ko ni ko nu wo ke wo chema ke ya na se ke ya belo Wala one 40 hours no family all day because you are not a move over B5 any machine. I be a minute to do a fair. Can't face some Kulu come back from one eye, mammy. No, Bianene. Can you ever confirm? Can you confirm? But she come in a shed.
Ibeji ni no ipoti. So yo Jimmy ni I'm a member of Co Youth Association. Yo tell babi ene alo ke ma fan gbe e. Mi to ni ma really B5 anu akeshi. Ko ma sipon ko ma no ni kamele ameya back to history. Wako me akọ ofufino lo na kan e. Wako me akọ ofufino na lo na kan. Ameya back to 1960s. Amabi no ni teno e mami. Wo wo se tun gbeye ni wo se kan te gbeye. E wo ke TDC ke le government jile. Ni GBC who ke le government jile. E wo shipon na hamba ko after 50 years any patience na me shi ameya wo. Na me ke fe business. Ni ameke sika wala amekotoku ami wotasi wo kwa me wo shiko wo hele mene ni wo hele wo nyakwa vraiment mon ti no na fio escondiano ni wo na ni eni e mami ni wo yi o bi an company se ba lo escondi fe sabi what talking e mami wo na company ti an se ko what talking e mami e wo any wo bi no ba kamo ni what's the next generation na ma na wo e nyeba ko wakone wasipon wo hele gbene ni wo hele wo twa no mo nya bla o te woni obi be kun alo ko ke mo ko be ba no onyo oke mo o weak point fe wo weak point e wo kan to mi wo ka be gesi pon ma me no ni e wo be do ko no ba be ka me ye tu wo be tu we ske be e se ni ameka me ke tamba ta wo ba jesu onu ko fe mo se fa ni no ni yo mi ni. Oh, you are done. Whatever they want to do, they